Sa wakas po, nagkaroon din tayo ng update ngayon kay Tatay Digong. At eto nga po, nandito ang kanyang bunsong anak na si Kitty Duterte. At nagbigay po siya ng update kay Tatay Digong at okay naman daw po siya. Eto po ha, pakinggan po natin.
Sends his warm regards to everyone, to the supporters for, of course, the unwavering love and support. And for the family, sends his love, pure love to everyone.
Kit, meron ba siyang kanang, did you hear about the situation that he was rushed to the hospital?
Yes, but he is okay. It's just, his routine checkup.
Okay, I see. Thank you.
As you all know, he is old and not exactly in the best shape, but he's okay actually. I expected him to be more frail, but he's not. He's doing well. He's even better as compared to the first few weeks inside. He sounded more lively, more sharp, and
How did he feel that he didn't have any family visit for 2 weeks?
he was looking for my mother for so many times, and I had to explain to him the situation, and he understood, of course. But ayun, he was constantly reminding me to, do something about it. And I reassured him that we're doing our best. But as of now, I'll be the one to keep him inside.
We're having a prayer rally for Tatay. I hope you enjoy that.
Yes, I will. I'm busy with my studies also. So let me just finish everything, and I will be there tonight. I cannot promise that I'll be early, but I will try, of course, to pass by. Yes.
Kit, last question lang talaga. What's the biggest difference from the last time you visited him and right now?
I'll be honest with you, not much. I was so worried when I was in the Philippines. I was so worried that when I've been asking my siblings and the lawyers, can you tell me what to expect? Should I expect a thinner dada, a thinner papa? They kept reassuring me na he's doing good, there's no difference. And when I saw him inside, ayun nga, they were right. The only difference is he now has a long beard, it's color white, and he does have white colored eyebrows now. And ayun, but his hair, ayun, maarte kasi yun. So, meron siyang daily, siguro weekly hair dye. So, ayun pa rin. Hindi na siya pure black, may pagka-blonde siya. So, that's it.
Kit, also last question. Importante kasi ito kasi this is a very big victory for the entire Filipino people. Alam niya ba na nanalo with respect to Supreme Court?
Yes, and he's very happy about it. He sent his regards to my sister, and he told her that he is extremely proud of her.
Did he know na it was a unanimous court?
Yes, he knows about all of that. And he also knows na, ayun, continuous pa rin yung rotation of visits namin dito, pupunta sila. So, I'm excited siya kasi,
You're here.
You're here, yeah, exactly.
Ako muna, of course, for now, and,
You look so beautiful, Kitty, actually.
Thank you.
One more question, very last lang, Kitty. What was the first question na tinanong niya sa'yo when she saw you? When he saw you, sorry.
Actually, it wasn't a question. He said, ang laki ko na daw. He meant in a way na lumapad ako, but I think
he grew taller.
Yeah, he thinks that I'm taller now. Maybe it's because of the, slippers I'm wearing, but kasi he was wearing flat slippers, so I think this added to my height. But ayun, he was surprised to see me. Sobrang tangkad ko lang. Almost his height. Kasi ako yung pinakamaliit sa amin. But he was happy to see I was growing. I'm not growing anymore, but that's
he
what
knows
he thought.
you're here 4 times a week for him.
Yes.
Kitty, welcome back to the Netherlands. It's good to see you. And see you later, ha?
Yeah, thank you.
Mabuhay ka, Kitty.
Kay it's been sila na baka months ko. 5 months, yes. 5 months, no? Yeah. Wala gihapon pag-distract na suporta and pag-tuma ang akong nadaman. So, daghang salamat sa inyo. I know that I said kanina na my father was okay. He is okay. He sounded lively and sharp as usual. But of course, his situation is not to be taken lightly. Because he has said that the loneliness does get to him more intensely and more frequently than he'd like to admit. So ayun, that's why I try to be as persistent as possible because I know that the family, the whole family, and you, all of you, we keep him going. So, with that being said, it keeps him going, the constant communication from to the visits, the calls, and of course my daily letters. So I left The Hague, the first time I left The Hague was April 16th, 16 I think. April 16. So I've been writing him daily letters, yun, and I have not stopped. So, and he told me that from time to time he does go over them when he gets lonely. And so, when I visit him tomorrow, at least I can update him na nandito kayo lahat ngayon. So, I'm sure that he will be very happy and grateful to hear it. Again, daghan kayo salamat sa inyo. Ayun, I do not make this very long na kay I know that all of you are busy also. And gabi na po, so mga tulog na tatanan. Actually, nagakulot na niya akong buhok dito sa taas kay pasabutan na haggard na po ko, no? At ugol na po ko. Pero daghang salamat sa inyo. Hindi ako magtagalog kay Mabashi sa kaani. Humagot ko how, pero ayun, maraming salamat sa inyo. And I wanted to show up today to show my appreciation for your unwavering loyalty and support and love for President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Daghang salamat yun sa inyo. And I hope kita mo undang hantod sa makauli sila because kita lang ang iyang hope. No, kada gabi when he is about to sleep, he told me that all he does, sometimes he looks by the window and he thinks of all the people that love him and all the people that he loves. So, mga kababayan ko, let us keep my Dada Rudy, your Tatay Digong, let us keep him going. Salamat.
Duterte! 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 Duterte!
And of course, all of us on the
Bring him home! Bring him home!
all of us